all know it's on fire. It's on fire. Where's the squirt bottle? Where's the squirt bottle?
Remember, I need 30 protege kits to, you know, some of those gotta go out by tomorrow because they have contests next week.
Yes. Your kits are due to go out tomorrow, I think. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Hope, do we have 30 protege kits ready to go? No. Crap.
No, can you make me more parts, please?
Hey, National Balsa, I need 500 sheets of wood tomorrow, please. Yes, I can pay that.
Oh, no. Make it 1,000. We just got 30 more.
1,000 sheets of wood, please. 132nd season. You don't have that. Honey, we need more balsa. Can you find me somebody that can get me more balsa? Hi, I'm Joshua Finn from J&H Aerospace.
And I'm Hope Finn from J&H Aerospace.
And who are you from J&H Aerospace?
I was Joyce
What's your name?
Caleb.
There we go. Much better. So, as you can see, we have been running around like hooligans trying to supply all of you with model airplanes because y'all all want airplanes at the same time. So we're making that happen.
Regionals and states.
Yeah, everybody wants Science Olympiad season is at its peak, and especially after a whole bunch of y'all hung out with us out there in California, everybody seems to want airplanes, and our thoughts on that are upcoming in a future video. Awesome things happened for those of you that weren't there, so just we'll leave it at that. But we have new product announcements. Namely, we're all color coordinated. What's up with this?
So we keep telling you guys that we have new shirts coming in, and I'm really proud of this design that Dan did. So this is on the back of our shirts, but it's also going to be on the back of yours. So we have 5 years going around, and then we have the hourglass. We have the my mind just went blank.
Sweepette.
The sweepette down here, the protege. We have the flip lock, and then we also have the Sharknado. So.
And kits for that will become available. The Sharknado eventually. Yeah, I'll get to it when I get to it. Sorry, guys. Caleb has a new product. This is the Skywalker. Is it? Yeah, sorry, Sky Shuttle. I've been making you people too many airplanes. This one I don't make. This one comes from China. It's not made in the USA. It's made in China. You should get one. They're cheap. They're on our website. They fly awesome. Someday I'll get a demo video out. But yeah, these are pretty awesome, and Caleb rather likes his. Let's see what next. Oh, nothing but, you know, a signed by Lee Hines Sweepette 28. No, y'all cannot have it. But you can buy kits for this airplane on our website now. It includes dethermalizer timer, tapered hollow carbon tail boom, as it should for a plane of this type, and of course, the dethermalizer. All of that is included, timer, everything, in the kit. So check it out on our website. I do include the parts for the removable wing. You'll have to, it does require a little bit of engineering for you to mount the blind nuts in there and whatnot, although I do show in the video how to do it. But really classic design. Lee told me that the 30-inch version of this, which the kit builds either one, you just take out the center panel to make the 28-inch. He said the 30-inch was the best sweepette he ever made. That's saying something, considering Lee is, as far as I'm concerned, the best hand-launched glider flyer of all time. Next up, for the past 4 years or whatever, you guys have been buying some variations of carbonettes from us, and I'll show you. The reason that I called it a carbonette was I took what amounted to Lee's sweepette planform, and I mounted carbon all over the fuselage. Well, at the time I introduced these kits, they didn't have a good supply of carbon, so you guys have been buying carbonettes with balsa fuselages all this time, and I don't have my 6-inch here, but same thing, same story there. they're nice, they fly well, but they break maybe a little more easily than they should. So, China to the rescue. By the time you see this, these will be on our website for $6.50 a piece. These are tapered, hollow carbon fuselages for 12-inch and larger gliders. You can also use them for the smaller ones as well, so you just cut them to size. Bottom line is, these will be available. But because of the fact that I have them available, that means that there is a new generation of carbonets that have come to the table. So, things that are going away, things that are coming. By the time you see this, there will be an inventory on our website for carbonets. And the way this is going to work is we are going to sell all of our existing inventory of carbonets with balsa fuselages. That's just the way it's going to be. We are going to unload all of them for half price. You read that right. It may mean I'm selling a few at a loss, but we're unloading them at half price, so you guys get the opportunity to get these before the new ones roll in. Now, some things are not changing. So the Carbonet 8, the standard Carbonet 8, we're going to keep it with balsa fuselage. I will stick a few of these on the website for half price so you guys can get a few of those. But it's going to be a limited number of them, and then it'll go back to the standard price once those are sold off. People in Science Olympiad world, you can still get the balsa fuselage Carbonet Science Olympiad. Those are not going on half price. Sorry, guys. Y'all are buying so many of them I can't keep up. So, actually, Ross Clements cuts most of these, and yeah, so these are staying. They're not going anywhere till the end of Science Olympiad season. Once Science Olympiad season is over, you know, past the Science Olympiad Nationals, I'm going to discontinue this one until next time Science Olympiad gliders roll around, and then it too will probably have a carbon fuselage sometime in the future if the rules allow. But the Super Carbonet 8, the Carbonet 12, and wherever my Carbonet 6 is hiding, those are changing over to carbon fuselage. So, Carbonet 6 with a carbon fuselage. This thing flies amazing. Super Carbonet 8. These with either the stinger grip at the back or the forward grip up at the front. This gives you more length of stretch, but you do have to be careful to clear the tail. This gives you less stress, but you can clear the tail, less stretch, but you can clear the tail more easily. The 12-inch version flies fantastically. Oh, by the way, they include bumpers on the noses, so crashing into the floor indoors, they just bounce off the walls, the floor, ceiling, whatever, as long as it, you know, hits that part. Obviously, the wings are still vulnerable. These are going to be more expensive. The reason they're going to be more expensive is, if you can see, that is genuine sea-grain, contest-grade balsa. I am expending the effort to get that for you consistently on these, so they have the best materials that have ever been for planes of this type. So you're getting the good stuff. This is actually, you know, a production Carbonet 12, I guess you'd say, and you can see how beautiful that wood on that wing is. And we've got a supplier that is able to supply us with that consistently. The Carbonet 12, you can build all of these with and without the finger grip and all that. This is great for indoor flying in higher ceilings, Cat 3 and Cat 4, like the U.S. Nationals out in Arizona. Come join us. I expect to see lots of people flying these, because we've got a bunch of people on the West Coast who are tooling up with these. So, really cool stuff there. I've been wanting to, for forever, it's been my dream to be able to introduce planes with carbon fuselages, and now we're here. Oh, by the way, our indoor side of things, in a month or two, is going to be switching over to the same thing. So stay tuned for that. Give me some time to get there, because I'm not ready yet. Yeah, it's, like I said, it's been crazy. No, you may not have that one. I'm going to fly that one in Arizona. Here, you can have that one. Okay, we have other things. We have other things than just me geeking out over the stuff I'm putting in my kits.
So other things that you guys have been asking for is we have magnets with our logo. And then we also have the car decals, which the next time around we'll revamp this design, and so we'll cover a little bit more space on here instead of just the
But
middle.
they still look so cool.
But yeah, they look cool. I know you guys
Beautiful
been
colors.
looking for them, so they will be on our website. And so we got those.
Yeah, so let us know what else of gadgetry and bling and what is it? It's not bling. I don't know. Merch. Yeah, swag. That's what I was looking for.
Swag.
Yeah. What other swag would you like us to come up with? Because we got shirts and we got magnets and we got car decals.
And I will say with the shirts, we do have them in youth and adult sizes. Some of the larger sizes, we don't have as many, so if we run out, we're definitely going to be ordering more. So just send us email so I can write down what size you need, and so the next time I order, I can actually know how many I need of each size.
You're gonna see a tab on the website somewhere that's merch or something like that across the top of the bar. That's where to look for the merch, and I'm gonna try to have we're gonna inventory it all out on there, shirts by size and all that. So you can just go through there and it'll be easy to get to.
And we forgot to say prices. Shirts are gonna be $15 a piece. The other stuff I'm not sure yet. We will figure that out.
By the time you see this, it'll
Yeah.
be on there.
It'll be on there for prices.
I'm tired. She's tired. He's even tired.
We've been,
no, not really.
yeah. Because of all these orders, yeah, we've been staying up until close to midnight and getting up at 6 to get the orders out. So if you've ordered, we're trying to get them out as quickly as we can because we know a lot of you guys have contests coming up in the next couple weeks. Bear with us. Like I said, we're trying the best we can. It's just the two of us, so.
All right, guys. That's the stuff. Go buy it. Go prosper. See you at the flying field. Hope to see as many of you as possible at the Indoor Free Flight Nationals in Arizona, Memorial Day weekend in May. Of course, there's all sorts of other events we're going to. West Baden is coming up in March. I'm hosting a contest just down the road from here at the end of the month, February 28th and 29th at the Perry National Fairgrounds. You should come fly with us if at all possible. It coincides with Southeast Model Show, which is the biggest radio control swap meet in the world. And we will have a table there and we will have our stuff and our merch and all that. So come see us. Come fly at a nice Cat 2 site and come hang out. Like I said, lots of opportunities. Look on our website. We've got something pretty much every weekend until May. So we'll see y'all there. June? Yeah, June. See y'all.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.